How to install Slack on a laptop or PC. For this, we will open up the computer search engine, and here we will search for Microsoft Store. So we're going to use the official Microsoft Store application. So once this loads, just give it some time for it to load. So it's going to look like this. Here we will search for Slack. And if we just click on Slack here, then the very first application will be the one we are going to need. So just select it, and right here you will see an option to get this. So we're just going to click on get. It is completely free and you can install it on your device. So you can see some more information here, what you can use Slack for, so you can communicate with your team, message or call, share and edit documents. So here you will actually be able to track the installation process, and once it's installed you can just click on open, and here it will ask us to sign into Slack, and then you can open this in Slack and you can use the application here. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.